Hey, what's up YouTube fam? It's me again, Mo from Mo's Reviews, and today we're going to be doing unboxing day. So, got myself the Volkano 4K UHD action cam, and we're going to be unboxing it. So let's get to it. So let's have a look at this. It comes in a nice box, hard plastic covering, nicely displayed. Let's have a look in the box. It's 4K Ultra HD 2160p video recording with wide angle 170-degree lens. It has slow motion and time lapse functions on it. 2-inch LCD screen, not touch, it's not touch sensitive or touchscreen at all. 8 megapixel still camera. And is waterproof up to 30 meters with built-in Wi-Fi and compatible app. Same on the side, it's just some details on what the camera actually does. Like I said, 2-inch LCD video recorder, the 4K 30 frames per second, full HD. It also records in 1080 and 720. Takes 8 megapixel still photos. And as I said, built-in Wi-Fi with slow-mo and time-lapse. It's got a 1050 milliamp lithium-ion battery, which is removable and rechargeable, and you can plug this into PC, Mac, iOS and Android. And it also has a compatible app that you can use on iOS as well as Android. So it's got a connection of a micro USB and uses class 10 micro SD card for up to 64 gig. That's not included in here. So let's open it up and see what it comes with. So just bear with me. Let me just get these stickers off here that is holding it together. Okay, that's one. Let's get the other one off. Side and one on the back as well. So they do make sure to stick this down and make sure it doesn't come loose. There we go. Right. Let's pull this off. And we've got a nice cover on the top of the box to hold our Volkano camera. So let's open up the box and see what's inside. Right, let's just first get this off here. Let's unscrew this. Does take some unscrewing to get this off here. Right. Okay, so the camera itself comes in a nice hard shell, which let's see here, how does this open? Okay, we need to press that. Okay, so basically what we have here is the camera casing. As you can see, this is the camera itself. It's small, lightweight, hardly any weight to it. So let's put this back in and then show you how this works. So what we do is you need to clip this onto the back of the section here, like that, down. It's got a little locking mechanism, so you shunt that to the left and then lift this up, lift that up, and opens up to release the camera. This is your waterproof covering, so you can go and dive in it. Okay, so let's just put that one side for now. Let's put that over there. And let's see what comes in the box. Okay, so first up, we've got some straps. Nice. your USB charging cable. Looks to be your cover or your holder to put on a selfie stick or on a bike holder or something. I've got another holder, which I'm not quite sure we would use this one. Got a little pad that sticks down. It's got some adhesive tape on the back. Oops. Some more holders. Yet another one. And another one. Some paperwork. And we've got yet another holder. Right. So we don't have a suction cup for this one. It doesn't come with a suction cup at all. So we can't actually put this onto on a windscreen or anything like that for now. We need to purchase one separately. So let's go through this and see what we've got again. Let me just put that on. Let's mount this back in. Whoa, okay. Right. Okay, let's just get this back in here. No, never mind. Alright, so what's in the box is a lot of connectors so that you can plug this onto various devices or bikes, motorbikes, handlebars, helmets, etc. That's what's in the box. There's not much in the box. Like I said, there's no suction cup on this one, so we'd have to purchase that separately. The camera itself, it's nice and small, it's lightweight. The plastic cover that goes in the waterproof cover does make it feel a little heavier than what it actually is, but if you take this off, the camera itself is very, very light. So just to show you guys, this is the camera out of the box, out of its casing for waterproof. What we've got here is your charger port, your HDMI out, and your micro SD card. Let me just get in there for you, you guys can see. Let's see there. There we go. So you got 3 ports over there. That is your battery door to have your lithium ion battery removed if you need to remove it. And you got your power and obviously your various buttons on the device itself. I know that one was short. It's just the unboxing of the Volkano 4K UHD camera, action cam. I will be doing another video soon where I'll be doing comparison video shoots with this and my current mobile phone, and we'll compare what the video quality is like. I'll also leave links below for you guys to purchase this if you want to purchase these. I purchased mine at Game and I paid $999 for it, 999 to be exact. You can check on TikTok. I will leave the links down below. And as always, if you guys want to reach out to me or if you want to ask me any questions, my email address is over here, this email address here. And go out and get yourself one of these or a hoodie like this. Thanks to CB Supplies for always supplying me with the apparel. And it will mean the world to me if you guys subscribe, like and support the channel. And also if you get yourself one of these caps or these hoodies. I'll catch you guys in the next one.